replace a 2012 Chevy Impala light bulb, reverse light. As you can see, I already took screws off for it, so you want to take this one off right here so you can remove this. You can also remove this, you don't really have to. I like to. Then you remove this little screw. There should be two screws, one right here, one right here. These are how the screws look like. It's 3 screws in total. Then you want to take apart the light. You want to take apart the light assembly. And then you want to replace this. It's this light bulb right here. As you can see, I already replaced it. Then after you put everything, after you're done, you want to make sure that it actually works. So I'll make sure that it works, and then I'll put everything back together. Okay, so you want to have someone check the light bulb for you while you put it in reverse. So this one does work. So after that, I'm going to reinstall it here. You want to twist it. Make sure you get a good grip on it. Then you want to put the assembly back. I'm going to see where I can put it on. Everything matches. You see, it should click in perfectly fine. And then these are where the screws I was telling you about. So you want to go ahead and put the screws back in. They just spin on like that, just to tighten the thing down. There you go. See, there's tight. You want to get your other one. It's right here. Make sure these are tight. Okay. And this is the last one to hold this little thing together. You can put it with it, but and there you go. Should be tight on there. Good. And then this is also, this goes here, but you want to put this on first. So I probably should have paper under it, but there you go. That's how you replace a light bulb on a Chevy 2012 Chevy Impala. No tools needed. All can be done right here.